we have this product, D1000 diffuser. It's very popular on TikTok. It has more than 500,000 likes, this diffuser. Now, let's check how this diffuser works. It has a big bottle of 500 ml. The big bottle advantage, reduce the frequency to add oil produced. And this is manual. You can change the diffuse with this menu. Now, let's see, this fragrance is very strong. It also built-in fan can cover larger area fragrance too. We can set the model with this menu. And then we can enjoy the fragrance. Oh, by the way, it can also connect with air conditioner. So we can combine the fragrance and the cold air. Let's begin the fragrance tour.